In this video, I'll show you how you can use this website called kLING.ai to generate very high quality AI images using just text or even using pictures. So you can use text and you can equally use pictures to generate other pictures. So first you need to register on kLING.ai. I'm going to put a link in the description, and registration is straightforward. You just put an email address, put a password, and then you can log in. So if you log in, you are going to see an interface like this one, and we want to work with AI images. So you can equally do AI videos too, and I have a complete video coming up on that soon, and you can equally edit on this website, but this one is currently coming up. So here you can see trending shots. These are basically what other persons have done and have uploaded, and you can use some of them. So if you see creatives here, you can use some of these creatives. You can turn them to your own, like you can clone them and try them for your own. So they have a lot of things going on here, but we basically want to create high quality photos. So we need to come here where we have the AI images, or you can see here where we have AI images. So if you click on AI images, it's going to bring you here where you can put your text prompt. So just like every other image creator, you need to give it a prompt that it can use to create these images. Also, they have hints of what you can do. So you can say succulent, plant, fawn, border collie, and all of that. So let's just say we want to do something with a bunny. Once you click on that, it's going to write a prompt. So it says cute little bunny, anime 3D style, hyper realistic oil painting. If you are good with that, you can come here and you want to select the aspect ratio. So if you want to do an Instagram post, you do a square. As if you want to do like a thumbnail or a YouTube video, or if you want a landscape video, you can do 16:9, which I'm going to do right here. So this is the generating count. That means it's going to generate 4 different variations of that image. So you can come here and then you can click on generate, and it's going to charge us a few credits that before it generates. So it charges us 0.80 credits, and as you can see, the images are currently generating right here. So we are going to give you some time to see what it has done, and I will equally show you how to use prompt. Now this is what it has done. This is the bunny, and I actually like the lightning and the contrast and all of that. So this is a very good result. So you can basically just bring it to life, which makes you or allows you to animate it, or you can use it as a reference to create other images. So let me just come back here, and then I have another prompt I want to use. So I can put a prompt right here. This is my own prompt that I want to use. So I can put a prompt again. I can set the aspect ratio, and then I want to generate. So it's going to generate, and let's see what it gives us using my own prompt, because my own prompt is sort of more detailed and it contains a lot of things. So let's see what it comes up with. So this is basically what it's coming up with, and the colors are quite sharp. So you can open any of this or any of the images, and then you can download any of them. So we have 4 of them right here. So you can basically download them or bring them to life. Now I want to show you another feature that you can use with this website, and that is to reference an image. So let's say, for instance, I have an image that I want to create something similar to. For instance, this guy here, I can download this guy and use it as a reference. So I have a picture I want to use. So I click on here, image reference, and I want to upload the picture that I want to use as a reference. So let's say I use this one. Let's say I use this one and I upload it it's going to create all the images, or the prompt I'm going to give it. It's going to use this image as a reference. So it's going to create something that would be similar to that image. So this is important if you want to like do something similar to what other persons are doing or what other persons have done. So right here we have our reference image is here, and then you can select the strength of the reference if you want it to be like very close to the reference, or you want the software to be creative, so you want it to still have the liberty to do what it thinks is right. You can set it to 0, so we can just bring it somewhere up here. We want it to be very close to the reference image we have given it. So you can decide to add a prompt if you wanted, or you can keep it blank. So we are going to do it in two ways. We are just going to do it without a prompt, and you can just come here and say maybe a bunny in this case. It looks like you cannot do it without a prompt, so you need to like have a prompt. All right, but this is going to be the reference image. So let's say we click on generate, and it's going to generate another set of these pictures using this one as the reference image. I think this feature is super cool, given that a lot of this website do not provide you with this feature. So I think this is super cool. So let's give it some time to see what it has done using the image that we provided. So now this is the result that we get using this image as a reference, and because I increased the reference strength, so you can see it tries to get everything here, and this is quite clean. So it tries to get the color, it tries to get the eyes, the ears, okay, maybe not the ears, but tries to get the cone, the ice cream, or whatever it has right there. And these images are quite clean. I think I like this one. So you can basically download any of them by clicking on download right here. So you can download all multiple of them. So this is how you use this website called kling.ai or klingai.com, and use it to create all these very colorful images using either text or even image to image. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Good Noel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.